A very happy morning, kids. So this is an interesting competition for you. That is Ganga Quest Competition 2021. So the name itself says that it is regarding the river Ganga, right? Cleaning up the river Ganga, right? Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regeneration, which is under Rajiv Ranjan Mishra, IAS, Director General. So he is the Director General of National Mission for Ganga. So this Ganga Quest competition is under the director's control, right? So this is annual competition conducted by National Mission for Clean Ganga, NMCG, and Tree Craze Foundation. So this competition is based on 4 grades. That is, anyone above age 10 can participate in this competition. This is conducted under 4 grades: grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4. Grade 1 are those who are below class 8 can participate in this grade 1, and in grade 2 class 9 and 10 children can participate, and grade 3, as we know, 11 and 12 children can participate, and grade 4 above that anybody can participate. Either it may be an adult or college student or a senior citizen, whoever, they can participate in the grade 4, and it will be conducted in 3 rounds, and the third round is the most important round, and first 2 rounds are qualifying rounds. If you qualified in first round, you can go for second round, and if you qualified in second round, you can go for the final round, and the final round will tell about the winners. The first round consists of 10 questions, which is having no right or wrong answers, and all the questions should be answered here. And the most important point is you can attempt it n number of times. And round 2 is a qualifying round for the final round 3, and it is having 10 questions, and all the questions should be correctly answered here. And this round also you can attempt n number of times. And round 3, as I said earlier, this is a final qualifying round, and winners will be announced from this round, right? And most importantly, only one time the round can be attempted. The round 1 and round 2 it can attempted n number of times, but round 3, once you attended, you can't participate again. So take care in attending round 3. And the awards, the prizes of Ganga's Quest is every week top 3 winners in 4 grades, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, in 4 grades will be awarded with exciting prize as well as topper advance pack subscription for 1 year. And next to that, top 3, there will be top 20 weekly winners in 4 different categories, right? 4 different categories like that: grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4. 4 different categories, and knowledge kits will be there, and topper advanced pack will be there, and subscription for 6 months. For top 3 winners, it will be for 1 year, and top 20 weekly winners, it is for 6 months. And the first 100 winners will earn knowledge kits, topper advanced pack, subscription for 3 months, and also the school with maximum participation will have a recognition award and a session with experts from GIZ with students and teachers, right? How the competition will be? Yeah, here is a streamline. So March 2020, here is a flowchart. March 22, 2021, it is World Water Day. World Water Day. So on World Water Day, the Ganga Quest will be launched, and the registration will start on this day. How we can register? Yeah, it's quite simple. Just go to www.gangaquest.com and register through filling a simple form, and you'll be having a registration number. So on having that registration number, again you log in into the account at the same portal and complete your profile, update your profile, and from there the dashboard from Ganga Quest you can attempt the 3 rounds we discussed earlier, right? So these 3 rounds, okay. So this is on It starts on what day we said? World Water Day, and you should be more active between April 7 and May 8. So this 1 month is the time period for the entire Ganga quiz. So April 7 it is World Earth Day, the quiz starts, and May 8th is the World Migratory Bird Day, the quiz ends, right? So in this period, who are attempting at the earliest time to clear the round 3 will be announced as winner. When they will be announced? They will be announced on June 20, 2021, Ganga Dussehra. That is the right date to announce the winner of Ganga Quest, right? So this is the gist of the concept, or this is the gist of the Ganga Quest competition, right? Again, I'm repeating, anyone above age 10 can participate in the Ganga Quest competition. It's conducted on the 4 grades, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4. Grade 4 is for everybody, adults and everybody, and grade 3 is for 11 and 12, and grade 2 is for 9 and 10, and grade 1 is for students below class 8. There will be 3 rounds. First 2 rounds will be qualifying, and third round will be final. If only you qualified the round 1, you are able to move to round 2, and in these 3 rounds you can attempt n number of times, but in the third round you have only 1 chance, right? So this is about Ganga's Quest, right? So Ganga's Quest competition, register yourself on March 22, and from April to May you can compete in that, and you can get your results on June 20, 2021 on the day of Ganga Dussehra, right? So it's quite interesting now. So get ready, get participate in Ganga Quest 2021. Thank you all.